Hi everyone, good morning to all of you. Welcome to the another episodes. Today I'm going to talk about many things about learning English, and here I'm going to highlight few misconceptions I would say about learners. Like usually the learner are considering like if I speak, so I will be looking very fluent speaker, right? Is it really important to speak fast or not? What is your opinions? And what is my opinions? So if I talk about my opinions, so here I'm going to tell you speaking fast, it's not okay, it's not good, it will never help you. Why? Because speaking fast, it will never give you a proper time to think properly. It will never help you out to recall vocabulary on the spot. It will never help you to create impactful statement. Okay, it will never help you to maintain your confidence level. It will never help you to give your entire messages in a impressive manners. Because without thinking, how could you speak? While speaking in fast manner, you are not able to think in a right way. This is a major problem behind. You feel a lot of pressure on you. At the same time, you have to think in multiple ways, in multiple areas. Firstly, you have to prepare a sentence. Second, you have to think about vocabularies. Third, you have to maintain your confidence level. Fourth, you have to create relevant sentence, relevant statement according to topics. So at the same time, you have to distract your attention, your focused in multiple areas, and especially in the fast manner, it's not possible for you because you are not machine. You are a human being, and human being has limited potentials, right? So here I'll tell you what as a learner, what should we do as a learner, what should we do. So try to speak slow, yeah. Slowly, it's very important. Right now, I'm talking very slowly. That's why you are able to understand. I'm the example here. If I if I do not speak slow, you do not understand anything, right? Slowly is very important. Slow speaking, it will very impactful. Okay, for everyone's. You can express your entire messages with a very constructive manners. You can modify every sentence in a good way. Okay, you can maintain the balance of speaking. You can maintain your rhythms. You can you can focus on your intonations. Many things is there, right? So that's why I'm telling you slowly. It's very important to speak. Okay, I personally consider like it's my opinions. Okay, like slow. If you speak slow, you can impact a lot on listeners. Mostly the listeners are very weak from multiple areas, I would say. Multiple areas means they are not capable to catch the meaning of yours. Their listening strength is not that much good. So that's the reason I'll tell you now. Whenever you talk to anybody, speak slowly. And one thing I always tell to the learners, like, go with the flow, but not the fast.